Hi, this is Christy from marketing, and I'm here with Grant, our branch manager of the brand new Grand Chute location. And we're here today to do a demo of our ITM technology. So I'm going to play the part of a member, and Grant is going to play the part of Grant, branch manager, as we may have some staff out here helping our members use these machines as we get up and running here. All right, so I would like to make a loan payment. How do I use this machine?
Fantastic. Do you have your debit card with you today, Christy?
I do not have my debit card.
That's fantastic. What we're going to do is we're going to push the request teller assistance so that we get one of our tellers on the inside to be able to help you out through the transaction.
Okay.
You see here, Bree's going to be assisting you today.
Okay.
Hi there, thanks for stopping by Prospera. How can I help you today?
Hi Bree, I would like to make a loan payment.
All right, so I'm going to take control of the transaction here. I'm just waiting for my computer to load. Give me just a second. All right, okay, and then we'll start with, do you know your account number? I can have you go ahead and insert that on the screen. You just type away and then press the enter button.
Now, Christy, you can either put it in up here or you can put it down here. Nice thing with this is that you don't have to shout out your account information to the teller like you would in a normal drive-thru. So this helps protect your personal information.
Okay. Now how does she know that somebody didn't steal my account number?
That's a great question. So that account information went into the inside for her, so she can now see it. She's going to pull up all your account information, and when you first opened up your account, we took a scan of your ID, so that should pop up on the screen for her. If she didn't take your ID for whatever reason, you could actually put your ID right here in this slot, face down. Bree can then take a picture of it, and it would actually pop up on the inside for her to see, and then she can compare your ID to your face, make sure it is really you.
Okay.
All right, perfect. And then are we doing it with check today? Was that correct? Or was that cash today?
With cash.
Okay, so I will have you go ahead and insert the cash. You can insert up to 50 bills all at once.
Should be a lighting up box. You go ahead and insert those bills for me.
And you can put multiple bills in all at the same time.
All right, perfect. And looks like that was $5. Is that correct?
Correct.
Perfect. I'm just entering that information on my end to get that transaction processed.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and submit that payment for you once I get the balance of your loan on.
Okay, all right. The cash is just being stored in the machine right now. It'll just be a moment before I can go ahead and print the receipt for you.
All right, that receipt should be printing in just a second.
I got it. Thank you.
Perfect. Of course. Was there anything else you needed today?
Nope, that's it. Thank you, Bree.
All right, then you are all set. Have a nice day.
You too.
All right, bye now.
Easy as that.